just put a little olive oil and margarine in the pan. I don't have any butter right now. I have to go shopping. But if I had butter, I would have put butter instead of margarine. I seasoned this piece of steak with a little salt, pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, and mustard. I only put mustard on this side, but I'm going to put it down on that side. I'm going to let this fry up. You can make it depending on whether you like rare, medium, well, or well done. I like my medium rare. I turned it over, I left the room, I made it a little crispier than I wanted, but it'll be good. So now I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to slice it very thin with an electric knife. Now I'm going to make my eggs while this is resting. It's going to be an over easy egg. In the meantime, I have Texas toast in the oven crisping up. I'm ready to slice up and make my frazzled onions. So I just have a half an onion here, and I'm just going to slice that up. I'm just going to put it in the same pan with the steak juice. Fizzle that, frazzle it up some. You know just what to say. When you scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. I know that I know you. I let my steak rest for 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to take my 20-year-old electric knife and slice it into thin slices. Juicy. So now I'm going to take my perfect egg pan and make an over easy egg. Add some margarine. Now I'm just going to crack an egg in. I'll add a little pepper. A little Lori seasoned salt. Scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. I know that I know you want to. So now I'm just going to turn it over. I didn't know that I was starting till I tasted you. Don't need no better eyes when you give me the whole damn blue. I like my egg broken. I'm going to end up turning it back over though. That's how I like mine. So now I'm going to take a piece of, I'm just going to use yellow American cheese, and I'm going to melt that on there. I'm just going to put this lid on to melt my cheese a little bit. So now I'm gonna take my piece of Texas toast. Then I'm just gonna take a couple of pieces of steak.
Then you scared me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet no more than I know you want to. Something inside me's changed. So much yesterday. I didn't know that I was starting till I tasted you. Don't need no better eyes when you give me the whole damn do. By the way, you just make some more
Put it on there. Then I'm gonna put some of my frazzled onions on. And now I'm gonna put my egg on. There you go. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I was going to put some avocado on top, but my avocado is not right. You could put a tomato on top. You could put avocado on top. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy you came along, and please give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you give my video a thumbs up, it'll help my videos to be recommended to others. And thanks once again for supporting. Don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. See you next time.